baby. Hit it.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope we're all doing well. So for today's video, it's going to be our last day here at Tokyo, and I just want to do some last minute shopping because I forgot really important items from there, and because I wasn't able to really look on my checklist for the things that I have to buy here. So this is really important because it's Kobe streets and some food, so I really need to come by this time because later on we're gonna have our breakfast. So yun mga beshi, let's go and come along with me. Mga beshies, I'm here now at Don Quixote. Yan siya. So I'm so early because I have a lot of things to do after this shopping. I'll bring my sister and my mom for breakfast, and then we'll do the last minute packing. So yun. So arat na mga beshies. Outfit for the day, airport outfit. My Kobe has a lot of treats here. This is like a wonderland for me. There are also bags in here in Tokyo. These are the prices. It's more of a Coach brand. And also Perla. Skates, wallets. Jump also. Louis Vuitton's in this side. MCM. Hello mga beshies, so we're about to take our breakfast now in Denny's. We're gonna come back there for breakfast. Let's go. We're here now in Denny's. Denny's, let's go inside. Coffee time. Coffee time. Ayan. Ito. You want with the milk? Ito. Medyo, hindi siya sobrang pait.
Sakto lang ba to? Baka dire-diretso.
Sakto lang yan.
Sakto lang. Kaya naman?
More ice cream in 7-Eleven mga beshies. So, though there's a lot of variety of ice cream here. And there are some cold food as well that you can reheat. Yeah, and that's how 7-Eleven looks like here. And there are like sweets, like yogurts, and parang mga creme brulee. Creme brulee is very famous here. Then breads. There's a lot of candies and chocolates here. Biscuits. Kaya we're praying from this machine. Bongga, diba? Thank you.
Okay na ba?
Thank you. Hello mga beshies. We're now heading back to our hotel. We just finished our breakfast and we maximized our coins. We bought some chips from 7-Eleven. So yun. Mga beshies. I'm so sad that we have to leave Tokyo for now, but hopefully we can come back here, or we can even come to other cities here in Japan. So let's go mga beshies. Let's enjoy the remaining hours here. Say bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye room. Thank you for the 5 amazing days here in Tokyo. Till next time. Bye. Let's buy some ice cream while waiting for our shuttle bus. What do you want? What are you gonna buy, Clary?
I will check first.
Where's my favorite? That one is my favorite.
This one.
So nice. Yeah. We will buy 5 ice creams and we will do a mukbang. So mga beshi, we just bought some ice cream and smoothie here at 7-Eleven. So now we're gonna try to make it here. We have to place it here inside and it's gonna make a smoothie. Patingin nga Halari. It looks like this. So we bought the flavor cafe latte. The price of this is around 280 or 90 yen. So let's try na mga beshies to make it. To put the barcode in here, scan it. So you can now open and you place it here.
You need to remove
You have to peel the
lid.
And then you put it there and close.
Push the button.
Push the button. Tignan mo. Amazing mga beshi, di ba?
May water. There's a water.
Yeah. Sure. It's gonna shit.
See?
Amazing technology here in Japan. You don't need a person to blend it in front of you. There's already a machine who will do it for you.
Very advanced.
Yeah. 7-Eleven on its higher level of technology. How long will it take? I don't know. I think it's done.
Yes. Oh, it's done already.
You can collect it. Mga beshi, yummers.
Okay, you will notice the straw.
Wala.
Ito, I think, hindi ba ito?
Diba ito?
I think this one.
Ito.
Ah, okay. There's another one.
So maybe someone forget the straw there. Taste test. Oh, you can put
Yeah.
holes in here.
And may mga stirrer and everything. It's good.
It's good. It's rich. It's more of the coffee flavor and it's not so sweet. So I think Larry will like this as well. So you should try. Let's go mga beshes.
How would you rate it first?
Good 9/11.
It's high. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Hello mga beshi. So we bought this smoothie, which I showed a while ago, like how to prepare it. And then I bought this one, this ice cream, condensed milk ice bar with fruits. So this cost, I think it's around 100 plus yen. So try that natin. Clary, what did you buy? Can I borrow the plastic? Then Clary bought this flavor. It's only 80 yen. And it's like, yeah. How do you say that? Gari kum soda. So it's like really? Oh yeah. Yeah. Patikim ako niya na.
That's why I think
Akin na to. Hindi ko alam na bubblegum. Hindi, ito lang ako. And then mommy have this one. Almond like pinipig in our country, in Philippines. The almond and chocolate ice bar. This cost 198, I guess. I think. So let's try this now. This is how it looks like. I don't know which fruits are included in this. So I can see there's a strawberry, there's pineapple, and then there's orange as well. I'm not sure of the other one because it's all in Japanese. So let's try. It's like a fruit salad in a stick. That's how it tastes like.
Bubble gum, paano sa patin?
You will love this one, I swear.
I love bubblegum flavor.
Tingnan mo.
Try this one.
Manugulat sarap. 80 lang yan.
Bali ulit tayo.
Yan, tingnan mo. Say sabi ko.
So Claire is telling this tastes good.
I swear.
It tastes
10 for me
bubblegum.
again. I love, ano yun, diba? I told you.
Mahilig ka sa bubblegum, di ba? Ano, how would you rate this?
This one, that one.
This one first.
10 for me. I love bubblegum.
Me too. 10 out of 10.
Bubble gum.
Icy flavor. You should try, ma.
Yeah, I'll try mine.
And then, for me, this one is 10 out of 10 as well. Parang lahat masarap.
Buko salad. Mami.
Picky man portion. So, kay mama, ito.
Mga parang yellow eh. May mga parang yellow yun.
Lasang fruit salad ba, no?
Yeah. Hindi man yun sa
Let's try this, mga beshi. Very nutty flavor.
Ano yung almond?
Pero almond siya. Almond.
Parang pinipig sa atin.
10 out of 10 din. Lahat ng ice cream nila masarap.
Masarap na.
Hindi ka maaasar sa magbabayad.
Walang ganito sa ano, Pinas.
Ang dali lang gawin yan eh. No?
Wala lang eh, parang crush ice.
Kain tayo mga beshi. Mukbang pa more. See you later. Hello mga beshi. So it's time to go. This was our hotel, Asakusa Yoshi. So now we're heading to the shuttle bus going to Asakusa View Hotel. Our departure is around 1:45 in the afternoon to the airport terminal 2. So let's go mga beshis and sayonara. Tokyo, Japan. Bye, Asakusa Yoshi. Bye. So we're here already mga beshis at the airport limousine pickup point. So these are all our luggage and we're just waiting for the bus because the bus will come around 1:45. Let's go. I think the bus has arrived already and we're gonna ride in this bus. They're gonna load our luggage and we're heading now to Narita Airport. Let's go mga beshi. Ay, naka. Saan ba tayo? Dito na lang tayo sa second row, Clary. And this is how the bus looks like. Ay, may toilet pala sa dulo, oh.
If you want.
Diba? Bongga.
Ganyan din yung ano namin.
Ano, tabi na kayo? Nasaan na yung QR code mo? Palalabasin ka na.
Ganda to. Dati to.
Baba ka na dyan, mag-jeep ka. Mag-jeep ka na lang, ma. Dyan sa kanto. Ma, ipakita mo yung QR code mo. Ayan na siya, oh.
Ay, naku. Hihilahin ka na yata pababa.
Kakalad ka rin pababa. Ilalabas muna niya yung bag mo, ma. Andyan, oh. Binuksan niya.
Mga mag-panic na.
Mama, ba't ang busy mo? Hindi mo check yung QR code?
Baka sinanda daw sa'yo ni ate.
Masinan ko na.
Nagpapang ka lang ata.
お電話で品をお確かめください。本日は臨時バスをお借りいただきましてありがとうございました。またの利用お待ちしております。
I'm returning the pocket Wi-Fi here from here, mga beshies, in Terminal 2. So this is the pocket Wi-Fi. Time to return it. It's gonna be there on that side.
Parang madedelay. Madedelay ba?
AG. Alex Gonzaga. Counter. Let's go na. So we're going to check in ng mga beshies. We are in the line of online check-in. So we're gonna drop all our luggage later. We're just on queue right now. Hello mga beshies. So we just passed by the immigration. So we went on the Smart Pass. So now we're gonna roam around here if we will see anything to shop. But if no, then we will just go to the boarding gate for boarding. So let's go mga beshies. Time to go to the boarding gate, mga beshies. Ma, may travel ka ba? Ma, may travel ka? Napagawa mo? O, nakagawa ka gabi? Saan?
May I have your attention please? This is an announcement from Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J5057 to Manila. To all the passengers, we request please have...
Narita Airport. Heading back to Manila. Hello mga beshi. So we finally arrived here in Manila and we're waiting for Mavi to pick us up from the Bay 6. So ito yung mga luggage namin. It's already like around 3 a.m. in the morning. So haggard na ang mga beshi nyo. So let's go mga beshi.
1, 2, 3, funky.